All right, here goes. This is my third time attempting to do this, folks. So for today, which is Tuesday, March 9th, click on the link for today. And then there I am sitting on a cute mushroom. It is ACT day. I am proctoring an ACT. So for today, I want you to finish your portrait weekend Google Slides, post them to the chart. But then some of you already posted them on Monday, so thank you. So for the folks who are done, then on today I want you to do the double exposure tutorial. And then depending on when you get things done, this will also be tomorrow's activity, okay? So double exposure tutorial, click this link, it will pull up a video. This person does not talk, I don't think. I have it on mute, but they have it written here what to do. And they go pretty quickly through this tutorial, okay? So as it goes through, I would definitely pause it and pay attention to what it does, okay? So it's cropping right there. Now for the visual, you can see it here on the agenda page. So you can right click, you can copy it, or you can save image as, and then you're gonna pull it up in Pixlr, okay? Pixlr is being very annoying today. All right, there. So here's my failed attempt. I mean, that's just terrible, isn't it? Oh, don't like it. Here, I'll just create new. Double exposure, third attempt for me. Width is 2550, height is 3300. I do want a background. I want it to be white. Right, I'm going to flip this so that it is landscape. And then I'm going to paste this guy in here. Nope, that's not what I want. Copy. There he is. Let's do that. Click on the Arrange tool here, which is the Move tool in Photoshop. I'm going to make him as big as possible. I'm going to make him as big as possible just to be able to follow along with the tutorial. So the tutorial is using the crop tool, and they are coming in here to make him the focus. So I'm going to pause and do the same in my Pixlr. Okay, so I'm going to move him up a little bit. Click on the crop tool, which is right here. I'm going to check back with my video, make sure it looks correct. Yes, looks pretty good. And then I'm going to hit apply because that's what the video did, okay? And then, oh, it's zooming in a little bit, so let's do what it does. Oh, I don't have that up here. I can zoom in like this. Control plus is what I hit to zoom in. It's a little too close for comfort. Control negative will help you zoom out. Oh. Now what do you do? You're adding an image. Oh, it's adding the background now. Okay. So then come down here. I can do that too. Image. I saved mine here. There she is, open. Okay, what does the video say to do? Okay, so it didn't have to make its image bigger, but I do. So I'm gonna move this over. I'll make it bigger, like that. Back to the video. Now it's changing the transparency on this layer. So click on the three dots, change your transparency. Okay. I'm gonna try and see. I can't tell what number it says. Oh, it did 50. Okay. Change this to 50. what's it gonna do? Oh, it's moving the trees down. I think there's not gonna be any road. Now it's gonna use the cut out mask tool, which this person goes crazy. And then they pick lasso, and then they pick whatever that thing was. And then they're gonna change the feather to a 3. Look at this. Like, OMG, I almost had a heart attack watching that. Look how funky. All right, so let's try to remember what we did here. We came over here to the scissors. Then I'm going to come up here to the lasso. Then it says remove mask, which I think is what he clicked. And then they did a 3 here. I don't know why I did 3. Oh my gosh, here I go. I'm going to come along here. Go fast like that guy. No, I don't think you need to go fast. You can take your time. I think this might be where if you do control plus, you can get a little bit closer. Oh yeah, his nose is a little skinnier. All right, let me check back on the video and make sure I'm doing this right. Of course. Okay, so it's taking out all those, the whole background. So that is what I will do too. Oh. Come up here. Get this. All right, does that look like their video? Yep. Oh, but the road's still in it. Oh, my bad. My road's gonna stay in it, I guess. All right, pause. So now we're going to change the transparency back to 100. It's cool. Then I'm going to click here and see what they're gonna do next. It looks like they're going to the blend mode. Multiply, okay. So up here, blend mode. Multiply. Okay. Duplicate layer. Duplicate layer. Oh, look at that. My selection's kind of jacked up though, but whatever. Let's keep rolling here. Oh, on that layer, we're going to do screen. Okay, so on the new layer we just made, click on the 3 dots, click screen in the blend mode. Thank you. Now what are we going to do? Go up there to draw mask, click on that. 240px. Oh, whoa. Okay, hold on. On this layer, click on the draw mask. That's clicked. 240 is what they had here. Okay. Right, now we're going to come along here. Huh? Yes. Did you fill out a pass? Okay. Okay, you're good. And it just keeps going back and forth here. I don't know why, I need to move this over a little bit. See, mine's not as blended, right? I think I might make my brush a little bit bigger. Shall we try that? Is that what it wants? I don't know. Looks a little weird. All right, let's keep going here and see what happens. Did I change the opacity on the brush? No, I didn't. That's what happened. So the opacity here did not change. Again, reasons why we love the history menu. Okay. So let's change this to like 240 like it said. But you need to change the opacity, which I do not recall them doing that. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, much better. And then I think it was trying to make like the edge a little darker. Don't you just love it when Pixlr starts like having a meltdown because your Chromebook is annoying? I mean, this is okay. I don't hate it. I don't like this line right here. We'll roll with it for a second. I think that's it. Let's see how the end of this finishes. Oh, it's just like there. We're just doing a couple dashes. So maybe I'll do that with mine. Oh, now it clicks on the background. What are you going to do with that? Adjust temperature and tint. Oh, pause. So on here, I'm going to take my, what is this tool called? Cut out. Okay. No, I don't like that a little bit. Something like that. What do we think? I don't like that circle. To not have such a circle like that, you can go really big with your brush. Okay. So then on here, I got distracted. What did it do with that one? No, I went to the bottom and changed the temperature. Okay, so bottom. And then you go adjustment, temperature. Oh, look at that. What do we think? Yay, nay? I always change the background too. What if I go this way? Oh. Let me see what it does. Makes it a little bit more yellow. And that's it. Bada bing. So what you'll do here is file save and then send this to me as an attachment in an email, okay? Now you can of course do this with the images I put on the agenda, or you can also do this with your own pictures. So I thought it would be really cool if you had someone's photo like this. Maybe we'll do this in class Thursday, Friday. And then we'll put in their transparency or their landscape photo where they would like to go to travel in their lifetime. All right, folks, have a great day.